guys, welcome to my channel. This is Maggie, and for today's video I decided I wanted to use some more glitter like last week. It has been a busy week for me, and that is the reason why I'm a little bit delayed uploading some videos recently, because it has been a busy week for this mom. So for today's video I'm going to use a nameless brand. I used to call it Maria X palette before because I got it from her. I'm not so sure if she's still selling it. I'm gonna go ahead and get in touch with her and see if, you know, we'll be able to go ahead and get more. However, I'm gonna go ahead and put her Facebook page. You'll be able to reach out to her and see if she'll be able to get it for you. Anyways, we can, however, you know, try, you know, a different brand with almost the same color, because that's what I do. I don't have a lot of expensive stuff, but I try to make the most out of it. So I really do hope this helps a little bit, you know, when it comes to budgeting. Let me know if you have any questions. Post it in your comments down below. Anyway, I'm not gonna go ahead and talk about how busy my professional life is at this time. Let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. So I've already done my left eye. I'm gonna do the right side. So for the first color that we're going to use, I am going to use this color over here, and I'm going to use my icing brush, which is this brush. So it's not the fluffy one. You got the fluffy one right there, and you got like the fluffy flat. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and just diffuse the edges of it. Okay, so after diffusing that, I'm going to go ahead and get to this kind of like very light orangey, and also put it on top. So this is just, you know, by your crease, but not gonna be too high. Okay, then diffuse it again. Okay, so once we diffuse it, I'm going to use this pinkish color over here, and again just put it on top. So we're just packing colors over here until we get the right color you wanted. This is just like the lighter color in the background. Okay, and then diffuse it again. So every time you put it, you diffuse it. Now that we've diffused it, we're gonna go ahead and grab this orange over here. As you can see, it's really orange. And just put it on top. There you go. Kind of like red-orange, isn't it? And then diffuse it again. I'm gonna go grab the pinkish color to diffuse it. So after we've diffused it, I really like this technique, and I've done this on my last video, which is this Wet n Wild pencil, eyeliner pencil, and we're just gonna put it over here because I'm gonna do something else. So after that, we got that color over here. I'm going to use my Morphe 507, which is this brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it to this very fuchsia pink. And we put it over here at the corner of our outer V. There you go. It's kind of like purple pink, isn't it? Okay, and after that we're gonna go ahead and just blend it. Just keep blending. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the crease again. I'm gonna do it like that. Let's wait for it to dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up just a little bit. Going back to that fuchsia pink color, I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab it at the ends of it. Apparently my camera died on me as I was putting my liquid glitter eyeliner If you want to purchase this, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description down below. What I just actually did is, after I touch base with the fuchsia pink over here, right? After I touch base with the fuchsia pink over here, I just went ahead and kind of like blend it over like that. And then after that, I went ahead and just grabbed my liquid eyeliner and just kind of like put it over here at the edges first of where the pink and my crease is meeting, and kind of like dab it like that, so kind of like have a faded effect. And then I went ahead and put it all over the crease that I did cut. It's like super gold. And you just drag it. There you go. It's missed a lot, really, and I'm so upset that it just stopped recording. So after I put the liquid glitter eyeliner, I went ahead and grabbed the fuchsia pink color and went over my waterline. So I just went ahead and put it all over my waterline over here. And then I grabbed that orange, bright orange color, and then just put it on top. So we're just trying to go ahead and just put it all together, and then I'm going to go ahead and just blend it because I wanted to kind of like diffuse a little bit with my Morphe M507. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just, without, you know, any color touching it, I'm just gonna go ahead and just run it like that. Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes and my eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit more, and I will be back. Don't go away. What do you guys think about our video for today? Please do sound your thoughts and comments down below. I'd really love to hear what you think about the colors that I've used for today. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon, so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I am so happy that you joined me today, and thank you so much for being so supportive. I really, really appreciate it. Until my next video, I'll see you again soon.